Hello, this is topic 4, Quotidiano e hábitos no passado. When you were going through the first UFCD, you saw that we use presente do indicativo to talk about habits and also our routine, for example. We use presente do indicativo as it is one of its utilizations to talk about habits, routine, to describe said routine, and in order to better clarify that we are using presente do indicativo to describe routine, we also have some time expressions that are going to clarify that end. So, those time expressions can be, for example, todos os dias, sempre, frequentemente, geralmente, muitas vezes, normalmente. There are, of course, other expressions that probably you also know, and here are just some examples. But why do we talk about presente do indicativo when we are in one of the final UFCDs for the course? It is because during this UFCD we are going to talk about the tense that we also use to describe routine and habits in the past. Although it is a tense of the past, just like pretérito perfeito simples, as I say here, the utilization of this new tense is going to be rather different. While for pretérito perfeito simples, you were talking about a one-time action in the past, with this tense, you can also describe routine in the past. Remember that we were talking in the previous presentations that this tense is used for actions that took a long time in the past. So routine and habits of the past can also be considered as those. In addition to its utilization of talking about habits in the past, now we are also going to be able to use the same time expressions that we already used to describe our routine in the present with present tense. And this is the tense that we are going to speak of in more detail during the next module.